Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 15R and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then we can open the Play Store. You will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can either log in right after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the settings. I've just recorded the tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device, so I highly recommend to check it and follow it if you don't want to do it on your own. So now if we are in the Google Play Store, we can tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's go to my apps and games here and tap on updates. So in my case, I've got 5 updates available, and basically the next step depends on you and what you'd like to achieve. You can either tap on update all, and then your device will download all of the updates and then apply them, or you can simply choose from those apps and then tap on update manually and separately next to each app. So basically this is how it works. As you can see, after tapping on update, your device will list the apps at the very top of the list, and right now it is downloading the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.